Welcome back, dear students. Listen that different types of precipitation we saw. That's rain, drizzle, snow and sleet and also hail. Okay. Next. Rainfall. Usually we know rainfall. Precipitation which reaches ground in the form of liquid. Okay. It's continuous pour of liquid from the clouds. Okay. That's called rainfall. Listen, the picture explains you how the rainfall occur. Okay. Yes, the water vapor from the oceans because of the moisture it's turned into condensation. The condensation happens and it's getting cool and it gives the rainfall to the earth. Okay, again it's go to the excess of water goes to the ocean or other water bodies. Okay, most of the ground water becomes from rainwater. Plants help preserve water. When trees on hillsides are cut, rainwater flows down the bare mountains and can use flooding of low-lying areas. On the basis of mechanism, there are three types of rainfall. Okay, orographic rainfall, cyclonic rainfall and convectional rainfall. We can see what this type of rainfall. Okay, yes, see here, orographic, cyclonic, convectional. Okay, that orographic in 5th grade itself you see that windward side and leeward side in the mountains. Cyclonic rainfall that came from the high pressure produced by the low pressure air produced by the high pressure area. Okay, then listen, yes, rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. It brings fresh water to the earth's surface. If rainfall is less, water scarcity and drought occur. On the other hand, if it is more, flood take place. Okay, yes. Yes, children, listen. Orographic rainfall. Okay, if you are taking a mountain, there are two sides for the mountain. Usually one side of the mountain is windward, then another one is leeward. When the moisture of the air is absorbed by the windward side and getting more rainfall in that area, and the next side of the mountain is leeward, it gets remaining that dry winds only. That area is called rain shadow. Okay, dears, see, listen, the picture giving two mountains. One side is full of green, that is warm moist air, and windward, that area is called windward side. Prevailing winds, the wind prevailed on those areas and it's rising air that gets cools and condenses, then it gives the rainfall to that area. That area is called windward side. See the next another side, continued condensation produces rain and snow. Here the next side is dry advances. That area is called leeward. All the moisture absorbed in the windward side itself. There is no moisture in the leeward. So that area is called rain shadow area. Children, do you know what is our district? Is it a windward or a leeward side? That is our Perambalur district. Is it in windward side or in leeward side? Yes, our district is leeward side, that is rain shadow area. Okay, in the near that Sherurayan hills and Pachamala hills of Eastern Ghats, that side, the Salem and Dharmaburi, that Nilgiri, that area is windward side. Then another side of Perambalur comes in the leeward side. That's why we didn't get proper rainfall, annual rainfall. Okay, yes, that is called orographic rainfall. Okay, that means oro means graphic, that gives in one side, that is the windward side. Then cyclonic rainfall, that is frontal coastal line. Okay, cyclonic rainfall means that is in the coastal line. Warm air comes in contact with cold air. Warm air rises, as it rises it cools. Moist air condenses and forms clouds. Okay, yeah, warm air comes in contact with cold air. That warm air rises. When it is rises, it gets cool and the moist air condenses and forms clouds. Then it turns into water droplets. It comes in the form of precipitation against to the earth. Okay. Then convectional rainfall. The last one is convectional rainfall. Unequal heating at the earth's surface creates a local hotspot. Okay. For example, in summer days, okay, we receive the summer rainfall. It's very heavy. Usually it came in the evening time. Okay, so now in the equatorial area, in Malaysia, this rain, equatorial area receives this type of rainfall. Particular day or local hotspot, not particular day, particular place. Okay, that rainfall is otherwise called convectional, otherwise called 4 o'clock showers. Okay, air in contact with the hot spot expands and rises. Rising air cools to dew point temperature. Clouds form and precipitation takes place. Immediately they will receive the rainfall. Morning it is the water, the humidity happen, that is water vapor evaporation. Then in 4 o'clock condensed and it came in the form of precipitation to the atmosphere. Heavy rainfall plays with thunder and lightning. Normally the convectional rainfall, that is in the, we usually get at the time of summer times. Okay, summer season we got the convectional rainfall. But not more. In the Malaysia and other that equatorial area, you will receive more convectional every day. Okay, so listen. So 3 type of rainfall. There is a orographic rainfall. In this one you want to know windward side and leeward side of the mountain. Then cyclonic rainfall. It's give more rainfall to the oceanic area. Then convectional rainfall due to the heavy heat. Okay, we heard that word in news, Veppachalanam. Okay, more heat. This rainfall having. Choose the correct answer. Name the rainfall which is caused due to the obstruction of mountains. What is the answer? Convectional rainfall, or frontal rainfall, or orographic rainfall, or cyclonic rainfall? Orographic rainfall. Okay, yes. How? When moisture bearing winds meet a mountain, it is forced to rise. Okay, in the picture you see, from the sea, that prevailing wind, it forced to cross the mountains, that warm moist air. Okay. Wind rises up to reach its saturation point. Okay, when it's cool, and on further cooling it rains. Windward side receive more rain than the leeward side. As wind moves down to leeward side, the amount of rain decreases significantly. Leeward side is also known as rain shadow area. Example are Perambalur. Yes. Precipitation that comes down to the earth in liquid form is called rainfall. Name 3 types of rainfall. Orographic rainfall, cyclonic rainfall, very good. Then convectional rainfall. Which type of rainfall is caused due to the presence of the following? Okay, that is in your book, okay? You just see that question and give the answer. Then name 3 forms of precipitation besides rain. Snow, sleet and hail. Okay, yes. Breeze also. Explain the greenhouse, not breeze. Okay, that's a form of wind. Drizzle. Okay. Then explain the greenhouse effect. Okay, what are the greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Okay, these greenhouse gases absorb the radiation of the solar radiations and helps to keep the earth warm. Mention any 4 after effects of cyclonic activity. Yes, it's uprooted trees. Then flood. Then the saline water from oceanic area comes inside the inland and makes the soil unfertile. Then it damages the kacha houses, lot of damages. Okay. Yes children, you kindly go through your book, read your book. If you have any doubt, you ask me and give answers for these questions in your CW. What happened? It's bouncing.